Meaning of emergent.
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 Emergent. Emergent refers to something that arises or becomes visible unexpectedly or spontaneously from the interactions of simpler elements. It describes a phenomenon that is not straightforwardly predictable from the characteristics of individual components but emerges through their collective behavior. Emergent properties are unique to complex systems and cannot be reduced to the sum of their parts. Examples of emergent phenomena include flocking behavior in birds, traffic congestion on highways, and the emergence of novel functions in biological systems. Emergent properties are fascinating because they allow the creation of new, unforeseen possibilities without explicit design.